don't need a hit to believe that I'm living.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're here, my name is Tara. Many of you already know that I'm an oncology nurse and I'm also in grad school to become a nurse practitioner. And I know the world is a very scary place right now, and the best thing that we can do if we do not have to absolutely go outside is to stay home. So today I thought we would make a super easy and delicious yellow rice and beans using whatever we have on hand, and you guys are gonna love this recipe. Before we get started, if you have not already, I would love for you to be a part of this community. You do that by hitting the red subscribe button that's right below this video, and be sure to click the bell icon, that way you're notified each time I post a new video. If you guys are ready to make this super delicious yellow rice and beans, smash that like button and let's jump right into the video. Here are all of the ingredients we'll be using today. A complete list will be in the description box below. So we're gonna start by smashing our garlic. This is a really great hack so the skins come off even easier. And I'm gonna use my Vitamix cup for this. It's gonna make it so much simpler. If you don't have this, you can use any kind of blender or food processor or even just hand chop it. And I have fresh cilantro on hand, so that's what I'm using. If you don't have fresh, you could also use dried. Add it to the Vitamix cup, give it a quick blend. Perfect. Of course, I'm drinking a dry red. Now we're gonna grab our Instant Pot, put our rinsed and drained rice, grab our beans. I'm using Great Northern beans because that's what I have inside of my pantry. If you don't have these, or you prefer a different bean, substitute in any other canned bean that you have and it will be absolutely delicious. I have rinsed and drained the beans. Then we're gonna grab some extra virgin olive oil, some Sazon. Sazon is a combination of spices that are absolutely perfect in this recipe. If you don't have this, I'm gonna leave a list in the description box below of what you could use instead, and it will still be delicious. Sprinkle the Sazon right in. Then we're gonna grab our blended up mixture and add that to the Instant Pot. What an easy dump and go recipe. Add our water. It's green because I rinsed out my Vitamix cup. And now we're just gonna give everything a good stir. There's really no danger of getting the burn signal here, so you're fine to really mix it. We're gonna grab our lid, make sure the silicone ring is on, set our Instant Pot to high pressure for 4 minutes. Then we're gonna allow 10 minutes of natural pressure. Then we're gonna perform a quick release. And when the pin drops, you can open up our lid. And we're gonna fluff up our rice. This is a great time to taste the rice, see if it needs anything additional. I did add a little bit of salt since I didn't add any salt earlier. Perfect. Super easy recipe, comes together in a matter of minutes. You guys are gonna love this recipe. If you like this video, you're gonna wanna check out my Dump and Go Instant Pot recipe playlist. I'm gonna leave it right here for you. Go ahead and click the video on the screen and I will see you over there.